So I came across this brand called Mernes London, and on the surface, it seems like a really charming boutique. They say they specialize in handmade leather handbags and belts, and that everything's crafted in a small, family-run workshop with over 40 years of experience. The story is signed off by Jake and Olivia Mess, which adds a nice personal touch. But as I started digging a little deeper, a few things stood out that made me curious. First off, their website only just went live in March 2024 and was updated in April 2025. That felt a bit off. If they've truly been around for over 4 decades, why is their online presence so new? Then there's Jake and Olivia. Their photos look like AI-generated images rather than real people, and there's no trace of them anywhere else online. It makes it hard to confirm if they're actual founders or just part of the brand's storytelling. The prices also seem a little too good to be true. They're offering what they call handmade leather bags for $44 to $55, sometimes with big markdowns like 80% off. For comparison, most genuine leather bags, especially handmade ones, usually cost a lot more. That pricing raises questions about what the bags are really made of and how they're produced. Another thing, it looks like this could be a dropshipping setup. There's no real contact info aside from a basic form, no phone number, no business address. That usually means customer service might be limited, and if you want to return something, it could be tricky or expensive. The product photos also feel a bit generic, like they were pulled from stock photo sites or digitally created. You don't really see pictures of people using the products in real life, which can sometimes be a red flag. Lastly, there's not much online chatter about Mernes London. No reviews on big platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit. That doesn't always mean something is wrong, but it does mean there's not much feedback from other buyers to go off of. So overall, while the brand story sounds nice and the products look stylish, there are a few signs that make it worth pausing before buying.